Welcome to Arts. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to find the index of the largest and index of the smallest number in Python. We are going to use the enumerate, max, and min function. We can find the index of the biggest and the smallest number in a list. The max function is a high order function. It takes another function as an argument. So let's see. We have our list. My list. Some random values. And we are going to use a max function. We take the list and the lambda function as arguments. We will add the enumerate function to the list so it can return both the number in the list and its index, a tuple. So let's do that. Max enumerate, and we have my list. We are going to set the count in the enumerate function to start at position 0. The lambda function will tell the function to return a tuple pair of the maximum number and its index. This will be key set to lambda, and the smallest index 1, and we are going to save the max value and print max value index. So this index, and we're going to print the index of max value is, and we're just gonna print out the max value index. So here we have the max value. Max value is 99 and index is 2, 0, 1, 2. So if you just want to print the index, you just gonna do index 0, and we're just going to run the script again, and you get the index of max value, which is 2. Now we are going to see how to find the index of the smallest number. This is similar to the max function, only that we are now going to use the min function. So I'm just gonna copy this whole thing and just change a few, such as this will become min value, and then we are going to change max to min, and so we're just gonna change it to min value for minimum, and here we are going to print min value index. Now we can run our script. So our main value is 0 in our list and it's at index 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Also, good. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.